This is the best reviewed restaurant here in the Forks. Meron nga itong 5.0 stars and 29 reviews. I had the wontons with their peanut chili sauce and the combo was incredible. This peanut chili wontons are authentic balance of spice, aroma, and texture. Best things I've ever eaten in my life. At napakarami pang iba. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Samahan nyo kami sa Best Reviewed Restaurant, Episode 1.
Boy. Oh my god.
Yo, what's up guys? We're here at the Forks right now in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We're gonna
try out some food, guys. And we're also showing some beautiful sceneries around the Forks. So make sure you watch out. Hi guys, we're about to order here at Aroma Bistro. Hi, I would like to get the signature sauce wontons. I'll get the peanut chili. Yeah. That's everything for me. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna check if they actually can prepare the food in 6 minutes. So let's see. Alright guys, so we got our food na.
after 6 minutes, right?
Yes, after 6 minutes. Actually, before 6 minutes it arrived eh.
I think may
So,
natira pang mga ano. Yeah.
yeah, a few seconds. But yeah, good job Aroma Bistro. Quick service.
Kung naririnig niyo to, ang galing.
Huh?
Okay, buksan na natin to guys. Ha?
Their signature peanut wonton.
Guys,
Here
ito
you go.
yung signature oh.
Yeah, no?
Kita nyo ba?
Pinuto. Pinuto. I'm gonna open it right now.
Tapos kay Brother Lou. Anong tawag dito? Lala. Lala appetizer. Uy, dami.
Luga. So, yeah.
Lala chips guys. Maraming nagre-recommend nito eh.
Wow. Grabe, worth it to. Mag-have 20.
Chris, turbuhin mo na yan. Bakit?
So guys, we promise na magiging honest kami sa mga reviews namin. So,
Walang sugar coating.
walang sugar coating.
No sugar coating here.
No bias, no sugar coating. Here we go.
Which one?
First bite. Thank you, Lord. Ay, sorry. Yes.
There's more here.
Thank you, Lord. Ayan. Oh. Ito yata yun, bro.
Let's go.
Nice.
Huwag mo harang bro.
Appetizer muna tayo. Appetizer. Let's start with
Let me
appetizer.
hold this.
Let's start with appetizer, guys. Here we go.
Crispy?
Texture-wise, really nice. I think this
No,
is the
that's not
dipping
the dip.
sauce.
This is
Oh.
the dip for this.
Sorry, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Tatry ko ng ganda lang. Okay. Do you want the review na?
Let me try it first.
Gusto mo reviewin ko na? Serious?
Yeah.
So guys, wait lang. Try ko pa uli. Hindi kasi nung una may... Basta. Okay. Actually guys, I'm a big fan of Aroma Bistro. But then, yung chips nila here, or even just what we got right now, hindi siya ganun ka-crispy compared sa sa original branch nila. So, hindi siya ganun ka-crispy, but still, masarap pa rin siya. It's really good. Yun
Actually,
lang siguro.
Actually, this is my first time trying it, so
Yeah.
para sa akin medyo ano na siya, soggy.
Sagi na, no?
Mm.
Sagi na siya.
Ano ba yung soggy? Pag na ganun mo, na soggy. Joke.
O kaya yung ano, pagkalahati ng banana.
Sagi. Oh, bro, ikaw naman. Cameraman.
Cameraman.
Let's go.
Give some love.
Ayos ba yun, cameraman? Yay!
All in all, a good start, guys. Great appetizer. Hey guys, kain muna kami and we'll update you after. Okay? Pero may hint ng ano, chili. Masarap.
Bro, I actually love this.
No?
Bro, actually, ang sarap nito, bro.
Yeah, actually.
Next time, kunin ko din. Sa Japanese, sabi. Good.
Alright, guys.
It's a wrap.
So it's a wrap.
Ang
And
sarap.
masarap.
It's a wrap. Ang sarap.
As you can see, isa na lang natira. Oh. Sin chips.
Out of, sa tatlong yan, ano favorite mo, bro?
Pinaka-paborito ko, bro. Ito.
Oh, ako rin to, guys.
Peanut.
Tapos to, sausaw nyo dito.
Chili wonton, guys.
Boom.
Oo nga. Yes. And then sauce
Kasi
nito.
to, ano eh, mapinat. Kung mahilig kayo sa mani.
If you're a fan of kare-kare, you're gonna love this one. Yeah. Huh? Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito sa The Forks. No, bro? Ganda tignan ng mga taong chill lang, di ba? Relax lang sa buhay. Punta kayo dito, guys. Highly recommend The Forks.
Ganda nun.
Kasi, yung crush ko,
So guys, kung gusto nyong,
yeah, ano gusto mo, bro?
so guys, kung may gusto kayong puntahan namin next, dito lang muna sa Winnipeg.
Yeah.
Comment down below nyo, tapos re-reviewin namin yan. Okay ba yun?
Yes, we'll check
Diwag.
it out. Yun, no? So, totoo nga ang chismis, guys.
Anong cheese whiz?
Chismis,
chismis.
bro. Na sa Google review, 5 out of 5 talaga
Yeah.
ang Aroma Bistro here at The Forks. Solid, guys.
Sarap. Punta kayo guys.
Yes, punta kayo. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy The Forks. Masaya dito. Punta kayo. Inulit lang. Punta kayo dito. Wait lang.
Sabihin bro. Kulang.
Lakasan pa na, anuin pa namin yung uli.
Nakahanap siya.
Sige, sorry. So guys, again, we invite you to The Forks. Check it out. Hindi ko na alam sabihin.